In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Typeform to Google Sheets using Zapier. This seamless integration can save you loads of time and effort, ensuring that every submission made on Typeform gets automatically recorded in Google Sheets. So let's dive right into it. First off, you're going to need to set up both your Typeform and Google Sheets. In Typeform, make sure your form is published and ready to start collecting responses. Meanwhile, in Google Sheets, create a new sheet with column headers that match the information you're gathering, like name, email, and feedback. These headers will be crucial when it comes time to map the fields from Typeform to Google Sheets. Once your forms and sheets are ready, head over to Zapier. If you don't already have an account, you'll need to create one. Otherwise, simply sign in. After you're logged in, look for the Create Zap button and click it to start setting up your automation. The next step is to configure the trigger part of your Zap, and for this trigger, we're using Typeform. First, select Typeform as your trigger app. The event you want to set is New Entry, which means every time someone completes your form, it will trigger an action in your Google Sheet. You'll need to connect your Typeform account to Zapier and grant any necessary permissions. Once that's done, select the form you want to use for this integration. It's a good idea to test the trigger at this point. Zapier will pull in some sample data to show you everything is working smoothly. With the trigger in place, let's move to the action, which involves Google Sheets. Select Google Sheets as your action app and set the event to Create Spreadsheet Row. Now connect your Google account to Zapier. After that, choose the specific spreadsheet and worksheet where you want the data to be recorded. One of the key elements of this setup is mapping the fields from Typeform to the correct columns in Google Sheets. Make sure, for example, that an email collected on Typeform is properly mapped to the email column in your Google Sheet. Don't forget to test this action too, to confirm data appears correctly in your selected columns. Now that your Zap is set up and tested, the final step is to turn it on. Give your Zap a name that makes sense, such as Typeform to Google Sheets. Then click on the Publish button to activate it. From here on out, every new submission on your Typeform will populate as a new row in your Google Sheet automatically. It's that simple. Setting up this automation can significantly enhance your workflow, ensuring you never miss a piece of important data again. Thanks for watching, and happy zapping!